Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page will enter to the window of Facebook Lite. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi, and you can wait 2 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on Facebook Lite app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention, and you are welcome.